Imagine a peaceful bunny village where every rabbit wants one thing in life: big, shiny, crunchy carrots. Carrots are money. Leaves are like tiny green coins. Simple. Now meet Farmer Fluff. He grows the best carrots in town. Business is booming. Rabbits are hopping around shouting, "Carrot go up! Carrot go up!" Everyone is happy. Even the grumpy rabbit who complains about everything is smiling. But one day, disaster. Farmer Fluff grows fewer carrots. Maybe the soil got tired. Maybe the clouds were lazy. Maybe Fluff spent too much time scrolling Bun Talk. Either way, fewer carrots. Suddenly, rabbits panic. Oh, less carrot? Oh no, rabbits sad. They stop buying fancy things like carrot cake, carrot hats, carrot-scented shampoo. Shops earn fewer leaves. They hire fewer rabbits. Now more rabbits are unemployed, which means even fewer carrot purchases. This is what we call a recession, when the whole bunny economy slows down because carrots stop flowing. Rabbit Boss tries fixing things. Discount, discount, buy 2 carrots, get 1 leaf back. But rabbits still hold on to their leaves tightly, like they're sacred relics. Businesses shrink. Farmer Fluff cuts production again. The cycle continues. But then the Bunny Council hops in. They lower leaf interest. Borrow leaves cheaply. Plant more carrots. Hop faster. Suddenly, young rabbits start new carrot gardens. Some open silly businesses like carrot yoga or spa for stressed veggies. More jobs return. Rabbits start spending again. Carrot supply goes up. Rabbit happy. Carrot go up. The economy recovers. The grumpy rabbit complains again, which means everything is officially back to normal. Moral of the story? When carrots slow down, rabbits slow down. So keep planting, keep hopping, and never trust a cloud that looks lazy. Please subscribe.